Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the accounting module in detail. When it comes to simplifying your invoicing process, this is the answer to all your questions. It can be scaled as per your business requirement. So on top of that, we will go to the configuration in the settings. You can change the settings according to your business requirements. The taxes, the currencies, you can add the multi-currencies, select your country's currency, customer payment method. Yes, if you want to allow the customers to pay online, you can select this invoice online payment too. Then you go back to the configuration and payment equators. Here you can download and install the payment method for to configure online payment for invoices. Simply just activate it, install it, and that's it. Then you will go to the settings. Here you can see the top menu, users and companies. You can create the users here of your companies. When you want to give the access, simply create it, their login ID and their password. Other than that is the company. You will add the company. Simply you will create it. Let me show you. Add all the information of your company, phone, your company's email address, phone number, all the information, and update required details in the journal information section. As you can see, these details you added will be reflected in your invoice to customer. You can also add the logo here. Then go back to the general settings. General settings under business documents. Here you can configure the document layout. Choose any layout of the invoice document you want to use. Light, boxed, clean. You want to change the background, want to change the colors, it's up to you. Format, and then you will simply save it. Back to the accounting module, you can see the overview. It's the accounting dashboard. You can see the customer invoices, vendor bills, how much are unpaid, how much are paid. You can also create it manually by creating the new invoice. All the operations, you can use the filters here. My favorite, your favorite will be on here. Simply. Other than that, you can create the invoice. Let's start creating one for your customer. Simply click the create button. You can upload it or you can also download it in Excel as files. So let's write the name of the customer. Delivery address will be selected. The invoice date, if you want to add, if there are some due dates, you can also mention the due date. Select the journal. Simply add the product. You can add anything. Give it a price and save. Here you can see the journal items has already been debit and credit from the account receivable and product sales. So you just have to click few information, just update the invoice, and its all information is here. So after saving it, you can preview it. It will open layout of customer portal. Review it before sending it to customer. You can review it, how it will show it here. You can download it, you can print it here. This is a preview of customer portal. We can go back to edit mode. As you can see, the invoice is in draft state. You can validate it. Once it's validated, it will be moved from draft to posted. Let's confirm it. And then we will go ahead with the payment. Now it's posted. Let's register the payment. If you want to preview, you can preview it again. You can print it from here. Also from the action, you can duplicate it. You can delete it or you can share it with the customers or with someone. Simply register the payment. So register payment. Here you can select the journal. It's a bank, cash, or whatever. It's a bank account. You can select it, the amount, pay, payment date. If the amount is due, he has paid the half amount. You can write the half amount, and half amount will be, it will be in open invoice. If it will pay the full amount, as you can see here, here you can click on this small icon. It will show you the amount, the name, and the date. You can also there show the reconciliation option. So there is no due amount. If there is any, it will be here. So now you can send and print this to the customer. Let's see the print invoices with payment, or you can use it without payment. It will take a few minutes and it will be like this. The layout you have selected in the general settings, the company's logo, information, customer information, and all the invoices and the amount that has been paid. You can see in the dashboard the invoices and its payment status is paid. Moving on to the vendor bills, it's the same. How you create the customer invoice, you will create the bill in the same way. Just select the vendor's name. All the information you will get here. Just select the product. The general item will be entered automatically. Place that quantity. Just save it. In a few minutes, you will create the vendor bill. As you can see here, general items and the other information. Then you will confirm it from draft to it will be posted, and then we will register the payment. We will pay the vendor. Want to pay, select the payment method, select the payment method, create payment, and then it will be paid. As you can see, there's a payment mentioned here. All the payments, all the invoices that has been done through this payment method or through this journal will be mentioned here. Same goes with the vendors, same information. Then we have products, all the products, the invoices, we have created the invoices of these products will be mentioned here with their price. Same with the vendor products, all the products we have purchased from the vendor will be viewed here. Then we have employee expenses too here. You can see the employee expenses separately in the employee module, in the expense module, or you can check it from here. Then we have vendors information, all our vendors, and here in the customers we can see our customers information, they put business related, their private related information. The one important thing is credit notes here, both in the refund customer and vendors. What we have to do is simply go to the invoices that we have created few minutes ago, simply select it, and here you can see the edit credit note button. Although you can reset to draft if you want to add something, make changes. But let's say the product is being damaged. Then we will select the reversal date, specific journal entry date, use the specific journal. And then we will reverse it. The payment will be reserved here. We will confirm it. Simply, if you can't want to cancel the entry, you can also cancel the entry. Then you can see register the payment. Same methods and same options we are applying here. Create a payment, just like we did it while we were creating the invoice, and it's paid. Let's go back to the customer's credit notes, and here you will see we have refund the customer. Just like here, if we receive the goods from the vendor are damaged, we can also create a refund. Here we have discussed the customer invoice, supplier invoice, customer credit note, and supplier or vendor's credit note. Then we have accounting here. In accounting, as we have seen the journal entries while creating the invoices and vendor bills will automatically, it's in the reversal means it's credit note. Customer credit note, as it is mentioned here, will show the journal item entry. Then we have in accounting, we have journals of different modules, sales, purchases, bank and cash, miscellaneous, and we have ledgers, general ledger, partner ledger, we have management. Here you can see the ledgers of your bank and all the payments of your accounts that has been posted. Then we have partner ledger, then budgets and assets, general assets entries, your log dates. Then in reporting, you can have the invoice analysis, budget analysis, your asset analysis. Here you can select the all your customers' invoices. Not then you will want to select the vendors' invoices. Then you can select it. Simply use the filters for your ease. Select the salesperson, sales team. And you can simply get the invoice analysis in a visual form. Then we have PDF files of journal audits, partner ledger, general ledger, trial balance, balance sheet, your profit and loss. You can easily check it. Simply selecting the date, you will get the report. You select the report date, sorry. You can check it monthly, weekly, yearly, and simply print it. All posted entries. Your all profit and loss information will be shown in the PDF file. Here you can see your profit and loss and your income and your expenses. Just like that, you will select all the PDF reports of all the account related information here from here. Then we have configuration setting. Do you want to add some payment terms like 15 days payment or 30 days payment? You can add it. You want to add a bank account? You can add it. Reconciliation method. And this invoicing module, as your transaction are synchronized every hour, they are being accelerated by uh, reconciliation with the smart reconciliation tool that save your time, so you can instantly generate invoices and send them via email in just a few clicks with your customer or with the vendors. So when the payment is done, it will reflect on your screen and you will receive it right away in just few clicks. All the settings, you want to change something, you can change it. Chart of accounts is also here. Then all the information of the invoices we have discussed here. This invoicing is integrated with other apps like purchase, sales, inventory. So this was the invoicing module. Thank you.